In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a 4-fold brochure in Canva. Start by opening Canva and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the design you want to use for your brochure. If you've already created a brochure layout, open that file. If not, you can start with a blank design in the size you need. The important part here is that you're inside the Canva editor before moving on. Once your design is open, go to the top left corner and click File. This menu gives you access to document-level options, including layout tools that help you organize your design more precisely. From the File menu, click Settings. In some Canva versions, this may appear inside the same drop-down area, so just look for the Settings option in that menu. Next, click Add Guides. Guides are visual alignment lines that don't appear in your final export, so they're very useful when you're building something like a folded brochure. They help you divide the page into equal sections so each panel is properly spaced. In the Add Guides window, find the Columns field and enter 4. This tells Canva to split the page into 4 vertical panels, which is exactly what you need for a 4-fold brochure. After that, find the Gap field and enter 0. The gap controls the spacing between columns. Setting it to 0 keeps the panels directly next to each other, which matches how brochure folds are normally planned. Now click Add Guides to apply the layout. You should immediately see vertical guidelines appear across your design, dividing it into 4 equal sections. Those sections represent the 4 brochure panels. At this point, your 4-fold brochure structure is ready. If you don't see the guides, make sure you actually applied them and check that you're still working inside the editor and not in preview mode. From here, you can begin designing each panel. You can change the background if you want a different color or style. You can also add text, images, shapes, logos, and other elements to build out your brochure content. As you place items, use the guidelines to keep everything neatly inside each fold section. That's especially important so text or images don't end up crossing fold lines in a way that looks awkward when printed. If you're planning to print the brochure, it's a good idea to keep important text slightly inside each panel instead of placing it right on the guidelines. That gives you a little safety space around the folds. And that's how you make a 4-fold brochure in Canva. Thanks for watching.